Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series designed to help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about adding audio to your presentation files. A quick side note, get our free PowerPoint add-in to access tons of themes and templates for your presentations. Check out the links in the description to know more. Alright, let's begin. To insert an audio from your PC to PowerPoint, go to Insert, click on Audio and choose Audio on my PC. Now choose the audio file you want to insert into your slide. Now you should know there are two ways to add audio files into your slide. You can insert it, also known as embedding it, or you can link to the audio file. Here's the main difference between the two methods. Inserting the audio file into PowerPoint can increase the file size. You might need to watch out for this if you're planning on sharing the PowerPoint file. Linking to the audio, however, does not increase the file size, but links can break if the audio file is not in the same folder as the presentation file. My advice, insert the audio. As long as you're not inserting hours of audio file into your presentations, you'll be fine. Next up, you can also record yourself talking and insert it into your PowerPoint slide. To do this, go to Insert, Audio and select Record Audio. Enter a name for your audio recording and click on the record button to start recording. You can play the recording back and press OK to add it to your slide. Okay, now that we've looked at some different ways you can add audio to your PowerPoint presentation, let's discuss some playback options available for audio files in PowerPoint. To adjust the playback options, click on the audio icon and select Playback in the PowerPoint ribbon. Click on the play button to listen to the audio file you've selected. Now, in case your audio file is really long, you can add bookmarks to mark different sections of the audio that you may want to jump to during your presentation. To do this, while the audio plays, click on Add Bookmark. During your presentation, simply click on the bookmark to skip to that part in the audio. You can also trim your audio by clicking here and adjust the fade in and fade out time as well if you want. Now, if you want to set up when you want the audio to play, by default it plays in click sequence, which means when you click to move through your presentation, the audio file will start playing when its turn arrives. You can also set it to play automatically as the slide appears, or to play when clicked on. If you want the audio to play across many slides, check this box, or you can loop the audio until you stop it. The Play in Background button also does the same thing. It makes your audio file play in the background while you go through the different slides in your presentation. Finally, there are options you can use to add captions and to export the audio file from PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Before you go, check out our free PowerPoint add-in that comes with presentation themes, templates, and so much more. The link is in the description. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.